So the task name is how to disable setup and maintenance Redwood page. Okay. Now let's go to the application. So now you can log in with this user account. Once you log in this user account, we enable that, right? The Redwood page. So if you go to the setup and maintenance, let's see the setup and maintenance page is coming on the Redwood pages. Okay. Okay. So it is not immediately activated. Okay. If it is there on the Redwood page, right? So there is a three options. Three options are coming into the picture. Right. So up to now, it is not immediately reflected. Anyway, no problem. Okay. You need to go from here. Okay. Go to the offerings. Go to the offerings. From the offering, opt-in futures. From the opt-in futures, there is a functionality called. Okay. Functionality called. Right. Application extensions. Let's go to the features. Features. And from here, there is a task called Redwood setup and maintenance. Right. If you enable that checkbox, system is following the Redwood setup and maintenance page. Let's open this. From here, you need to disable this. You need to disable this Redwood. Okay. So you need to disable this. Then click on done. See, offering setups, all these are disabled, right? That is the reason setup and maintenance is not coming on the Redwood page anyway. Okay, click on done. Click on done. Okay, that's all how to disable the Redwood page. So from the opt-in features application extension level, click on the features and disable that Redwood pages. That's all, team, for today's session. Okay, so negotiation process end to end for blind status, and 2 stages of negotiation is completed successfully. So this is a complete negotiation process. Okay.
So from the Redwood page to how to switch from Redwood page to
from Redwood pages only, right? So I'm disabling this Redwood page, right? See, for example, let's go to the offerings again. Click on the opt-in. This is a very time-taking process. Opt-in futures related enables. Let me show you once again.
if the page in Redwood page, how to convert into normal
Yeah,
page?
you just disable that, right? So for you need to go for options. Okay, one
This
minute.
how to come these options in Redwood page?
Yeah. Let me show you. Okay, Redwood is not activated. Okay, so click on the features. Click on Redwood page. Okay, enterprise information. Click on all these things. Opt-in features and everything. Click on done. Okay. Application extension setups, anything is there? Now you are in this page, right? So this is what Redwood page, correct? Okay.
Yes.
How to disable this? Now let's how to disable this. So click on the three options. Okay, click on the three options. Go to the change feature selection. Okay, so click on change feature selection. Okay, under this, what is the task name? Application extensions, right? So this is the application extension. Okay, so click on here. Okay, what is the task name? Redwood interface functional setup and maintenance is enabled here, right? So what you need to do? So click on here and disable. Click on no, save and close.
Where is the found option, sir? From three options.
Pencil button is there, right? You need to click on that pencil option. Let me show you once again. Okay, here. Okay.
I think so many people's practicing
Yes.
this time.
If you don't want this, from the setup and maintenance level Redwood pages also, there is an option. You can also enable that. Okay. So this opt-in feature is taking very long time. It is taking too much of time. All the reflections are coming, right? The pages and everything is changing, right? Integration data is completely for changing. It will take a time. See from here, okay. Application extension. Three options are there, right? Pencil. Go to the opt-in features. Okay, from the opt-in features, now you can see Redwood interface is disabled. Okay, click on the pencil button again. Okay, here you can click on Redwood page is required. Yes, if it is no, no, and click on save and close.
Application option found in three options.
Yeah, opt-in features, automatic enables are there, and setups also there. Okay, here you can see three options. One is for go to opt features, one is for view opt-in history, and setups. Now, if you go to the setups, see if page is coming in this way, okay, immediately don't do it. Don't want to disable also. You can go to here, click on additional setup task. Okay, if you click on the additional setup task, it is coming on the classic page. Okay.
Directly.
Yeah, directly. Yeah, that is the way how we can disable. Now, if you log out and log in, we already disabled this page, right? If you log out and log in, automatically it is disabled. Now you can see, go to the setup and maintenance. Now you can see the page is coming directly for the classic page. Why? Because we are disabling the Redwood page. Okay, this is the way how we can disable. Okay, I'll sharing this video. You can just follow that. If any server is coming like this. Okay, that's all team.